Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable variation tooltip on shop page for Woocommerce Swatches. This is particularly useful if you want a cleaner look on your product pages without those pop-up tooltips appearing when customers hover over product variations. Let's dive right in and get this sorted out for you. First, open a browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your WordPress account that manages your WooCommerce store. This is important because you'll need full admin access to make these changes. Now that you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a list of options related to plugin management. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install new plugins to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. You'll now be on the Plugins page where you can see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Variation Swatches. From the results that appear, look for the plugin named Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. Click on the More Details button to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This gives you a good sense of what the plugin does and how it will help manage your product variations. Once you've reviewed the details and you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation might take a while to finish, so be patient during this process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a new button appear. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once the plugin is activated, direct your attention back to the left navigation menu and look for AOV Up. This is the plugin we've just installed and activated. Hover your cursor over this option and you'll see an expanded menu with the Variation Swatches option. Click on it to proceed with the Variation Swatches settings. This is where all the customization options for your product variation displays are located. Now, under the Variation Swatches menu, the process is pretty much straightforward. Scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Tooltip. This is the specific setting that controls whether those tooltips appear when customers hover over product variations on your shop page. Simply toggle the switch on or off to disable or enable the variation tooltip according to your preference. If you want to remove the tooltips completely, make sure the toggle is switched off. Once you've disabled the toggle button and you're satisfied with your choice, scroll back to the top part of the menu and click on Save. This ensures all your changes are applied and stored properly. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the variation tooltip on your WooCommerce shop page, giving your product pages a cleaner and more streamlined appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.